Hello, everybody, and welcome in this very short video. We're gonna be talking about your world-time action automation for workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install and connect to your sub account and execute actions related to your workflow. So how do we set it up? If inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app, you go at install, allow and install. The only information required in order to get the installation going is just to provide your email address. So you type your email address, continue, you select the plan, you confirm, and you have on installer, which means that the tool is already connected to your sub account, and now you're able to execute actions already from the workflow. Simple as that. So, guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.